In this video, we learn how to use Testimonial module in Getshop Today's platform. In order to use the Testimonial module, I am first going to place one column here. Click on Add Module and choose Testimonial. Here you can see Add Image. In a testimonial module, it is a usual practice to use an image of the person who gave the testimonial. Let's click on Add Image. You can choose any image you want from your computer. Simply choose an image and click on Open. Now that the image is opened, you can crop any area of the image according to what you want to display. Select and click Crop. Here you can write the title. In the next area, you can write the subtitle. And here you can add the main testimonial text itself. You can also see an option Add More. If you have more than one image, then you can click on Add More, and you will get similar functions as before. Now click on Save and Update. Go back to the front end and refresh the page. Now you can see how your testimonial module looks like. Next, let's see how we can do some design customization about this testimonial module. To do that, simply go back to the admin panel and click on this edit icon, and then navigate to the testimonial property. Here you can see an option called Title Color. This option allows us to make the title in different colors. So just click on it and let's make it pink. Next, let's choose the subtitle color. You can choose any color that you want. Then next is the description color, and again, you can choose any color that you want. Next, you can see settings, and this setting will allow you to give color to the description background itself. Also, you can control the description background opacity. Now, if we come to the front end and refresh, then we can see how the testimonial module looks now. Also, if you want to add a background image on the testimonial, this is how you can do that. Go back to the admin panel, and here in each of the modules, you can see that there is an edit button. There is also one settings button here. If you just click on the settings button next, you will see the parallax option. Let's choose the parallax option. Now let's choose any of the images and then let's click on Open. Now you can simply select the desired image area and click on Crop. Go back to the testimonial and refresh the page. We can now see that there is one background set underneath this testimonial. It is possible to display this background as a full page background too. To do that, go back to the admin panel and click on Settings again. You can see here that the parallax height is flexible. If you select 100%, click on Update and Refresh, you can see that this image looks different now. Let's see how it looks like when we reduce the opacity of the description background. Let's go back to the testimonial again. To do that, let's click on this small edit icon, and here we can go to Settings and then navigate to Description Background Opacity. Just make this opacity lower and then go back to the home page and refresh the page. Now you can see that the background opacity has changed to 0.5% and looks much better. And this is how you can use the testimonial module in Getshop Today e-commerce platform. Thanks for watching.